You join us behind the scenes again on a shoot for Richard Hammond's workshop. We're in Ross-on-Wye, Hammond's local village, and as you can see, we've got a lot of classic cars. That's because we're doing a classic car run from here to his brand new workshop. He's opening it up for business so they can really get cracking on restoring all of these classic cars. We've got Harry Metcalf in his Ferrari, Oliver, Hammond's XK150, Hammond's E-Type, and then we have come in an MG. It may not be the most classic of MGs, but I think this is a classic in its own right. This is the DriveTribe production filming car, an MG ZTT 2.5 litre V6. So we're going to take part, it should be a lot of fun, and it'll be great to see Hammond's new workshop. Harry Metcalf, great to have you back on the channel. You've turned up in your stunning Ferrari.
Well, Testarossa, yes, 1987 Testarossa. But you've come in this.
What do you think of my ZTT?
Well, I thought you might have cleaned it for today, but
we've driven a long way, to be fair.
Yeah, I think you've driven several days to get here looking at it. And you're hoping that it's not a nighttime activity. I'm looking at just this. It's yeah.
I'm getting absolutely roasted here.
No, I mean it's got 4 lights, so just having one cloudy, well, 1.5 cloudy ones. At least you've got a few more left.
But you've been around a while, so you tested these you tested these when they first came out. What were your thoughts on these?
I tested before these. They sold them. I can remember there was good deals on them at the time. And you sort of look at it now, and it sort of works as a car, and it's just slightly over-engined. It's like a junior RS6 or an RS4, isn't it? But the British version. But yeah, and black wheels. I don't remember the black wheels.
That is a dodgy powder coat, I'm afraid.
Blacked out windows as well. That's an unusual spec. I don't remember that.
We chatted to James May yesterday, and he called it a spec car.
Yeah, he's right, actually. I think that's what it is.
Well, thank you very much.
It got you here, didn't it? Exactly. And it will get you through the day, and it holds lots of stuff. And is anyone in there?
You know what? I reckon I could out-accelerate your Ferrari Testarossa in this.
Do you know, I think you might be wrong. Lots, hundreds. I don't know.
Well,
yes, 300.
It's been a while.
400. Yeah. No, I don't know. I think I might have the top end on you though. I don't think you visit 180 miles an hour in this very regularly, do you? I don't think it's done that yet.
No, but drag race on Ross-on-Wye High Street coming up. Now the question is, you guys will probably know this by now because we'll put this out only after the TV show has gone out. Did the MG make the cut? Tell me in the comments below. People waving at the MG ZT. Come on. Sadly, Harry Metcalf in his Testarossa is right up at the front of the convoy with Hammond, so the drag race can't happen, I'm afraid. Now the TV show did want this to be a convoy, but the world being the world, it's quickly descended into a fairly splintered drive around Ross-on-Wye, but still cool. Although in the TV show it may seem like we're just doing one lap of Ross-on-Wye, to actually get all the shots, the camera crew have got this convoy of classic cars going around the village 3 times to make sure they capture all the different angles of all the different cars, and the edit will look nice and slick in the TV show. So this is the first run, and then we're going to park up, the cameras are then going to all move position, then we're going to do another run, and then again we'll stop, let the cameras reposition finally, and then do the final run. And then we'll head to the workshop. Now I'm really excited to see that because we've filmed a couple of times at the greenhouse's current place, which is a really nice quaint little garage, but for a full classic car restoration leviathan that Hammond is trying to turn the smallest cog into, they needed to expand. So it'll be really cool to see what they've done in this new space. It's supposed to be a brand new warehouse on an industrial estate not far outside of Hereford, so looking forward to it. We're up the local high street now. I imagine Hammond's a bit of a living legend around here. I wonder if the village knows. Do they know what this is all about? Here's the camera crew, finally. They will have been hidden elsewhere, we just haven't seen them. And with that, circuit 1 of the day is finished. So we're now going to reassemble and allow the cameras to shift around Ross on Y, and then we'll do all of that again. How exciting is TV show making? Doing lots of the same thing over and over again, but it's always cool when it's classic cars. Can't really complain about that. After a short wait in the car park, we did another lap of Ross on Y before heading for the main event, the grand opening of Hammond's new workshop. I know that the opening of this workshop means a lot to Richard. He's been talking about it for a while, and he obviously had to sell the cars to really make the workshop happen in terms of getting all the equipment he needs. So really what we're doing today is the least we could do, considering how great he's been allowing us all this behind the scenes access, so that we can show you guys what happens when you're shooting a TV show like this. It's been cool for us, you know, we make our videos for YouTube, but doing something for Discovery Plus, essentially a full documentary series, is a real step up. So it's been great for us to see what goes into that sort of production. And we've made it. Welcome everyone to the smallest cog workshop. How good does that logo look at the entrance there? We will be going in and Richard Hammond will be giving us a tour, but that will be in a separate video. But while we're here, check out this yard. We've got a steam traction engine over there, we've got a hotel bus over there, and then it's full of all the classic cars from the rally today. And I imagine from now on it will be full of classics getting restored in this workshop. Now, my MG isn't in the main crowd because they didn't want its centre of picture for all the photographs that have been taken, but it has served a job. It's currently over there hiding the trailer for that traction engine that looked a bit ugly in all of the photos. So the MG's come good. Anthony, the new workshop is looking unbelievable.
That's awesome, isn't it? I can't wait to get in there.
It's going to be so
Get on the
cool.
tools, I cannot wait.
And the first job, RS2000, I imagine? I've seen it in the booth.
Yeah, it's painted. It's got to be built now, so yeah, got a week left to do that.
A week?
A week.
Okay, well, there's loads of very nice classics here, but I would like your opinion on this. What's your opinion on the MG ZTT?
I've been quite a big fan of these, and especially in green. I think you've done well there on the green.
We're already doing better than Harry Metcalf. Keep going.
Yeah, no, but the only thing I wanted originally, I wanted a V8 one.
Yeah, see, I looked at them, but they're about 4 times the price of this. This was 1,500 quid,
oh,
2.5 litre V6.
Yes.
And I know you're a fan of the Mondeo as well,
Yeah.
and this is basically the same recipe.
A bit longer, but yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
A lot better, but no, fair play. I've always liked these.
Do you think this one day could be in there getting the Minter treatment?
Of course we could. Of course we could have that in there. I'd actually look forward to working on this.
Okay, well, you pitch it to Richard. I'll slide it in at some point.
I'll pitch it.
We'll see what happens.
We'll get it in.
Mr. Greenhouse, your new garage looks phenomenal, but my question is, what's happening with the old one? Because I love that little quaint garage.
The old garage is going to be closed down. Basically, my landlord of old passed away 2 years ago, and they want to reconstruct on the site. So basically that was coming to an end anyway, but now this is all completely set up. We're just going to move the last few bits of tools and equipment, and it'll be a sad day because I've been there 26 years, but we're coming to things better. So, you know, this is really, you know, going from there to there, it's really a step up for us.
Well, there's some stunning classics here today, but I want to ask you about this. This is the new DriveTribe production filming car, an MG ZTT.
Yeah.
Where do you stand on these?
I think you're a very lucky man. I think it's a very nice car. I've always liked these, and I think it's a sad thing that they stopped making them in a way, or they never progressed onto something else, because they were a really good car. They're very sturdy, very well built.
So what happens if I turn up with this asking for a full restoration at the smallest cog? Would you accept something like this?
Well, a car's a car. The thing is with any car, it doesn't matter what it is, it's what it means to you, not what it means to anybody else. So, you know, you look here, you've got all these different cars, you've got Datsuns, you've got Jensen Interceptors, you've got Bentleys, you've got Ferraris. Each one of those people love their particular car. So but it doesn't matter because if you took all those cars, what have they got in common? They're all just made of the same thing, metal, it's just a different shape.
Yeah.
So it's what you like, because when if you really like the look of a car, who's got a right to tell you not to? And I think it's brilliant because everybody's different. If everybody liked the same car, how boring would it be? I think it's fantastic, but I like these, and I think they're a really good car, and I like a lot of these other cars. There's certain things, wouldn't appeal to me as much, but then that's just personal choice. But I think that's a good choice. Really is a good car.
Cool. Well, you're here to that, and good luck with the smallest car.
No, thank you very much. And we're going to try our best to really produce some really stunning work out of that. I'm really looking forward to getting stuck in, and I'm very lucky to have the opportunity to do what we're doing, because a lot of this is down to DriveTribe. When we've done our few little videos for DriveTribe, and I've never done anything video, whatever you'd like to call it.
Yeah, with a Jag.
And the comments where people are saying, you should have a show, you'd have a show, and that really is, that this DriveTribe is responsible for that. So we can blame you now, DriveTribe.
Thank you guys for watching.
We can blame you if it goes wrong. But no, we're very thankful, and I just hope people like watching it and like watching what we're doing, really.
So Richard, it's the end of the day now. How's the Classic Car Rally gone?
I think it's been a success. I think it was great to see a load of cars out. We've got the photograph I wanted, which is why I did it in front of the workshop. And I think people enjoyed their tours. It's been good.
Good. Well, this was our entry into the rally.
I did notice. I didn't give you prime position in the photograph.
No. What is your thoughts on the MGZ TT? Because I imagine this was around when you were sort of back in the motoring journalism days.
God, yeah.
What did you make of this?
Well, you're annoying me because I hate the fact that cars I reviewed new are now classics.
Sure.
I love an accessible classic. I love one of the first cars we're doing properly, hopefully to concourse level, is an Escort. Which okay, they're valuable now, but it's a blue collar car. This is not it's not a millionaire's plaything. How far are you going to take it?
Well, this is our DriveTribe production car now.
Yes.
So we're going to chuck all our stuff in the back of it, ship up and down the country. So really it is a daily. It's not going to be a big restoration project or anything.
But I think a daily classic is great fun. It's just got more personality. Your alternative is just
£1,500 this car.
Well, there you go. Alternative is you need to maybe do something about the condensation.
Yes, it did come from Wales, so that is the one caveat.
How many miles has that done?
73,000.
Oh, bloody hell, it's not even running, it's
exactly.
fresh.
2.5 V6, so it's not the V8 one, which everyone wants, but...
Well, that's why it was £1,500.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, exactly right. I was distinctive. It's green.
I mean, Harry Metcalf has roasted it for being a Rover 75, but I don't see that as a bad thing. I think they were decent cars.
Yes.
He pauses.
Isn't it Richard Porter who's a massive Rover 75 fan?
Yes.
I might be doing him a great disservice. I think he is.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. He'll love it. Look, I'm all for a car. It's been kept going. It was made once. It's not going to have to be made again. Ring it out. You get another 70,000 miles like that quite easily.
There you go. MGZ TT.
You heard it there. Just then, I said it.
I think that endorsement from Hammond is the perfect way to end the day. It's been awesome seeing the Smallest Cog's new workshop fully open, and I'm sure you guys will have seen it in the show, but if you haven't, click the link in the description below to watch Richard Hammond's workshop on Discovery Plus. I'm sure we'll be back here to film plenty more content in the coming years. I've been Mike, and don't forget to subscribe to DriveTribe.